Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Anita about water sources for cattle.
Now Anita is sharing a recipe with us. In this segment, she shows us how to make dried beef pickle roll-ups.
Well, you may be getting ready to go to a holiday party and you're looking for something to take with you. And joining me now with more on this with a really good food item is Common Ground volunteer Anita Keys. What do you have for us?
Okay, what we're going to try today is one that's been around. It's kind of an hors d'oeuvre that people enjoy, but I like it. It's got like 3 main ingredients, and then you can doctor it up however you like. You just take dried beef, which I purchased at the butcher. You can also get it at the grocery store. And so you take your dried beef, you take cream cheese, and this needs to be softened, but just a couple hours is enough. Take it out of the refrigerator, set it on the counter, and it'll be softened. The softer it is, the easier it is to spread. Now, after doing this, I even thought, I know they make cream cheese that is spreadable, and then dill pickles is what I use. And I've got my own dill pickles that I can. The thing is, you want these to be the little tiny ones that are maybe a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch around. And the trick with that is you have to pick them like every day or every other day. That's what you've got for ingredients. Now, you can add some things like if you want to add, like the powdered salad dressing, like ranch dressing on there. You can add that for a little flavor. I have a friend that they're ranch dressing on everything. And so they would love to add ranch dressing. And just when you spread that cream cheese on, add a little ranch dressing. You probably could even take it right out of a squirt bottle. The trick is you don't want them too moist, then they get soggy, kind of a deal. But you can make it the night before, and I like that. The only drawback, I would say, this is a pretty salty snack, so you don't want to be eating a whole lot of that, because I know a lot of people are considering their heart health, because both dried beef and the dill pickle are pretty salty. So you might want to substitute with a sweet pickle or even a different kind of meat that isn't quite as salty if that's a concern of yours. Then you take this and you just slice it. And I like using a serrated edge. So then you cut these in little coins or whatever you want to call them. Oh, just probably like a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. Okay, and so then from that, you place them. Now here I've got kind of a finished product, sort of a look. You can decorate it up as fancy as you want. I kind of like that it's red and green, which is kind of fun for the holidays. I could also see just taking this little dish and setting that on a charcuterie board, and I've done one on that before, where you've got meats and cheeses, and this would just add a little variety to that. So I kind of think that might be a fun way to just dress up your charcuterie board. I think that's a nice little snack that you can have, and it doesn't take much to make. You just need your 3 ingredients on hand. So enjoy.
Oh, I will. That looks really good. Thank you, Anita, for being here today.